Well, I'm moving some more fill, mostly rock, but there's a little dirt in it. I decided to start me another pile back here, closer to the first corner of my road I'm building. So hopefully I can use this as I build the road up a little bit. I'm not trying to place it right now, I'm just making tiles in the area where I might use it. So that way I can come back and get it later if I need to move it somewhere else and actually use it. Anyway, here we go. Let's go dump this on my last pile back here. A little bouncy going back through here with the skid steer where these stumps have been taken out. And I've got the RPMs down real slow right now. I need to crank it up a little bit more. There we go. Get it going. I did a few clips with my GoPro this morning. I'll try to piece those together and get them posted. You can see I go straight ahead here for about another 100 feet, and then I turn left and I go 200 yards back up into the woods. That direction, into my property. Somewhere up in there is where I'm planning on building a shop and get my well done and probably look into power, but I may just go solar. Anyway, this is a dusty job right here. Since I got the door off and the windows open. Anyway. That's how it goes. As you can see, that's very thick brush. Keep watching. Thanks for tuning in and watching.